Introducing Iconiq Digi, a 5-star rated premium storage water heater designed for modern homes. Engineered with a user-friendly digital control panel, it allows you to manage various aspects of the heater with ease. Insulated with high superior quality puff for 8 to 10 hours of heat retention. Its unique DynoFlow technology enables quicker heating, while the titanium tank with glass line coating provides excellent durability. Its heavy-duty magnesium anode prevents corrosion. An Iconiq glass-coated heating element delivers long-lasting heat. And the built-in PCB ensures precise temperature control. The high-quality insulation keeps the water hot up to 8 hours even in case of a power cut. The Iconiq Digi has a robust water filter mechanism and a 4-in-1 safety valve that offers multiple layers of protection with auto cutoff in case of malfunction. Experience ease of control with a remote that allows you to set temperatures, timers, choose from different modes, and do more. 8-bar pressure suitable for high-rise buildings. Available in a range of elegant colors, the Iconiq Digi comes in 15-liter and 25-liter capacities. Stylish and robustly built, the Iconiq Digital seamlessly integrates into your spaces. Welcome to the digital era of water heaters with the Iconiq Digi.